Good morning. So for today's video, magra-wrap ako ng vegetable spring rolls. So I have 150 pieces order of vegetable spring rolls.
Wow!
Ayan. It's a another spring roll challenge for us.
Ayan guys, samahan niyo ako magbalot ng spring rolls. Niluto ko na nga pala yan last night. Dumating ako ng 1 o'clock. Then, sinute ko na siya. Tapos dinrain para at least i-wrap ko na lang this morning. So, ayan, nagluto rin tayo ng mga ulam. Ito yung order natin ngayon. It's a chicken afritada. Then, ayan na yung i-deliver ni Louie na ulam. Ito yung first delivery namin for catering. Then, ayan naman guys, yung mga niluto ko na pa-order ko for Mother's Day. Since it's Mother's Day, so ayan ang order ng mga platters. So, that's why we are busy that time. I-pick up naman yan ng customers. So, ayan. Since ito guys naman is meron tayong catering and we need to put into shopping list. Ayan, alam nyo ba guys na matagal ko nang gustong makabili ng shopping list. But since we are just rolling over our money, so hindi natin ma-priority. Kumbaga kung ano yung mga kailangan, yun lang talaga yung binibili ko. And like now, kailangan ko na ilagay sa shopping list. So I just bought pieces. 2 pieces lang kasi yung kailangan ko. And hopefully next time, pag may extra money na tayo, makabili pa ulit tayo ng another shopping list. Kaya talagang pinakita ko sa inyo unboxing kasi ganun siya ka-importante sa akin. Kasi alam mo yung matagal mo nang gustong bilihin pero hindi mo magawa kasi mas maraming mga bagay na dapat na unahing bilihin compare that. But since, as what I said, na kailangan talaga na siya, ayan, bumili tayo. And I'm so happy talaga. And we're gonna have more next or more coming. So, yun, siguro bibili talaga ako ng marami. So, right now, kung ano muna yung ating mga kailangan, yan. Kaya, feel na feel ko ang mag-unboxing talagang, ayan. And, nga pala guys, so, after nyan, lalabas kami at bibili kami ng aming beef. Ito mga veggies dito, it's not so pretty. Konti lang. Ayan. Ito kami ngayon sa Di Pietro. We're going to buy a beef. Kasi kukunti yung beef namin stock for tomorrow. So, ayan. Kuha ka muna ng number. Kuha ka ng number. Get a number. Tingnan natin yung mga prices dito. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ito yung mga prices. $7.99, may $8.99. Ayan. Mga prices ng mga beef. $7.89, $10.99, $8.49. So, ayan. Pero fresh ang mga beef nila dito. It's good for steak. Ayan. We want to try 4 pounds of this. Yeah, $7.99. Could you add a little bit more, please? At least 4.5. 4 pound. Point pound. I'm good with that. Just that.
So it's 42.
I think I have $2. No, I don't have. Yeah. We have a bag. Thank you. Okay, bye. We're going home. We are done.